Guten Tag, liebe Zuschauer und Zuschauerinnen. Willkommen in... nein, tut mir leid. Sorry, wrong audio track. Szeretettel köszöntök mindenkit hi, welcome. You are very well welcome in the 2021 virtual IBC. We are at home, we are not in Amsterdam, we are very sad, but on the other hand, I think that's the first IBC when we don't have to work during the weekend. But without a stand, I think the show is not the same. So if you follow me to here, I bought our stand and now I want to build it up. Because what if we don't have the stand, we cannot make normal presentations. So first we have a cafeteria area right here. You say? Good. So we have a chair and we have a reception with a computer just to register everyone who wants to visit us. And then we have a sign that we are here. And of course, the different demo pods. One for Woody, the other for Capella Systems. And Venera Technologies. And of course, Libero Systems. Maybe we put Libero on the front, then you can see it better what is happening.
You're so kind.
Yeah, well, welcome. So that's one of our colleagues who unfortunately had an accident during the setup, and then we have, which one you want to choose?
The one on the right.
This, okay, very nice. So we have a demo. I'm here to, and I'm interested in, we have someone at the receptionist, and we have Joanna still working on some wiring up here, and a cat. Right? We have everything. So that's a very well welcome to Firat Günay in our studio and in our booth. And right, thank you.
Victor, I have to tell you that this is the best exhibition ground I've ever seen.
Oh, thank you very much. And thank you very much. We are all very, very glad to hear this. So, but how you feel that this year you can't be physically in Amsterdam?
Not bad, because I can sleep in my bed.
Oh, yes.
So I don't have to get up too early. I don't have to walk all day long. I don't have to, walk under the rain. So, but obviously after, I think, 19 years, this is the first time we are missing that opportunity.
Right. That's, yeah. It's once we need to try it and then maybe go back to the old way to continue it like hybrid, like this time. And I hope we have someone who watched the show, because we have very exciting things to show. What would be your first highlight that you want to mention as a must-see?
Okay, this is a brand new product actually, which we created for Turkish Jockey Club, which we called Libero Replay. Technically, Libero Replay is an instant playback and recording solution. So what we do, Libero Replay captures all 8 inputs, synchronized, continuous recording, and while recording, it display up to 8 channels, and you are able to play and zoom in and zoom out. It is very similar to video assist system in football, but obviously it is tuned for horse racing. And at the moment, it is installed in Turkey, all 9 hippodromes, and running as a test bed for now. They will make the acceptance probably during this month.
Okay, so you said that that it's mainly you built a system for horse driving, so turf system. That's fine, but as I see it on the user interface, there's football, there's curling, I guess, and basketball, rugby or American football, and tennis. So are you targeting other customers rather than just horse ridings and hippodrome, or you stay with the horses?
Victor, this is a very good catch. Technically, yes, we are targeting the other sports. So all those sports actually has some similarities, but obviously you have to tune every time for each sports organization, because horse racing has some individual requirements, and football has different requests, volleyball has different requests. Obviously we have to tune for every single sport. This is the first version, just tuned for the horse racing. So at the moment we call it video replay, but most probably in following years we will call it video replay horse racing. Then we can call another version which is video replay football, video replay basketball, something like that.
And are you targeting mainly the as a referee system or as a broadcasting system, or both?
Actually, it is a referee system. It's a referee system. But with some tuning, probably you can use as a playout system as well. But this is not what we targeted at the beginning.
Right,
but
still
fine tunes, yes, we can do that.
Yeah, I guess that the core is to synchronizingly record multiple channels. That's a use case in both industries, right?
That's correct. That's correct.
What do you need underneath the software for such a high number of streams? And can you do it with one machine?
Yes, at the moment, what we are doing is with one machine. But for the following sports organizations, we are planning how to do it. Because in football, what we learned, we have to make the recordings in different machines, and we have to make the probably play out in different machines. But this is just we are planning right now, so we are not exactly sure about it yet. So video replay is a product which is able to sell for today, tuned for horse racing, but after some fine tuning, probably we can use in different sports. But we have to understand the exact requirements.
Exactly, that's the good thing about the IBC, that you have these newcomers, the new gadget, new things that is not yet ready, and there are so many possibilities on the roadmap and so many promises, and sometimes the promises are kept, and you can have a major product like your Libero Play. And I know that you bring the Libero Play also to our stand, and what should we know about that?
Okay, actually, Mr. Birkan is here, and he will make the introduction for Libero Play. if you don't mind, I will change the seat with Mr. Birkan so he can make the introduction.
Sure, that's exhibition mode. We make changes in the very last minute, so you're very welcome to do that. And hi Birkan, how are you?
Hello Victor, how are you?
Yeah, fine. I'm very good. Actually, I hope we can find your name in the naming database. But if not, then could you please introduce yourself to the audience? We might have 3 or 4 right now.
Yeah, I am Birkan Hergüner from Libero Systems. I will start an introduction of Libero Play. So after the last IBC, it was about 1.5 years ago, I think, or 2 years ago.
Yeah, right. Not
so
today.
We made lots of changes on the software, and there are many new updates and new features. So we want to mention about this.
Okay, and what are those new features?
Okay, the new features are the user interface is improved. So right now it supports customizable
fields,
forms, and different windows in it. So on the previous versions, you had only one channel and all the configurations and all the things that you see was on the main window. So we have now customizable user interface. Users can now customize the main channel windows, top counters, play pause buttons, output previews, rundown grids, visible columns, and we have new side panels for the new rundown elements or new rundown elements properties. And also we now support NDI5. So the last version was NDI 4.5, and now we are supporting NDI5. And NDI5 also has a variety of improvements like NDI bridge, NDI remote. And most protocol support for NRCS integration has come. Output preview feature with ultra low latency is implemented. Auto update for commercial blocks is updated. Scheduled items, scheduled playlists, live inputs.
Right, exactly. I wrote
these
this
are the main new features.
And what exactly this means? Scheduled commercial break or scheduled live and scheduled clips. What does it? How we should imagine the workflow which uses these features?
No, we have 2 scheduled items. Scheduled items, so you can schedule a rundown item for an exact time. Libero Play now you can set a start time for any element in the rundown. Once an item has a specified start time, all the next item start times are calculated automatically, and when the time comes, the item is jumped or whatever you set to the action, or it waits or it jumps immediately to the scheduled item. And we have also scheduled playlists. You can also set as continuous playlist. For example, every day you are updating a new playlist. You are adding a new playlist to the playout system. So when you add the new playlist file to the location, it automatically gets the playlist and adds to the continuous rundown. So you can set fully automatically 10
go
days
on and on and on all the time, right?
Yeah.
That sounds very promising. So are those features right now available with the...
Yes, these features are right now available.
Ah, beautiful.
And also, as a new feature, the commercial blocks are also updated automatically. So, for example, you add you can think about the commercial blocks about like a sub rundown.
Mm-hmm.
So if you set a commercial block and the block is updated for any other system, if you set the automatically update the commercials, the commercial block is updated automatically.
Right. Okay, I got it. Thank you very much. And I think that's a very good start of the show, but we are not finishing here. In the next 1 week, we will go further on with all of these topics. And I just wanted to thank you for you guys. So thank you very much, Firat. Thank you very much, Birkam.
You're welcome.
We will spend a very nice week together. Don't forget to have a rest on the weekend because next week will be tough.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. So, dear visitors of our booth and dear visitors of our internet site and event platform, this was for today Libero Systems. I hope we could make some interest, and if we did so, then I will encourage you to register for a demo for next week or a one-on-one session with our colleagues or me myself. So we are here, we are available, we act like on a real stand, and I would say see you in virtual Amsterdam in the next few weeks and have a nice show.